Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You are signed in and ready. Now open the App Store and tap your profile icon. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is active and iPad OS is current. You don't need to change payment settings yet. Tap Redeem Gift Card or Code and prepare the physical card or emailed code. If you have a barcode, hold the card steady, otherwise copy the 16-digit code to the clipboard. This starts the secure process that applies credit directly to your Apple ID balance. Once the redeem screen appears, pick Use Camera to scan the printed code, align the code inside the frame, and let the iPad read it automatically. If scanning fails, tap Enter Code manually and paste or type the 16-digit code. Make sure you authenticate with Face ID or your Apple ID password when asked. This confirms the credit goes to the correct account. After validation, the App Store will show your new balance or confirm that credit was applied. Now use your Apple ID balance to buy apps, subscriptions, or media. Purchases draw from balance first. If a subscription still charges a card, go to Settings to check payment order and change defaults as needed. If the code fails, double-check the region of the card matches your Apple ID country, ensure you type digits correctly, and sign out and back in to refresh the account. If problems persist, contact Apple support for code validation and replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.